What is happening? It's your boy the Fro again. I saw this little trick on Instagram, and I'll have to give the credit to Smash Stunts for this one. When I was putting this wheel back on, I put the axle the other way, so I can't get my beautiful chrome axle covers on the correct way. So basically I need to take the axle out, flip it around, and then put it in the correct way. But this little trick, if you need to, pull out your axle or, do some rear tire maintenance, you don't have an extra hand, it helps to have kind of like a little support so you can get the axle in there without having too many issues or strain your back or whatever. So I'll show you guys. So here's a ratchet strap, loop it through, come out the other side, boop, 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 and then right there, just cinch it up, get it nice and snug. You can put whatever you want right here to, support it or keep it from scratching your paint or whatever. These bags are doing a pretty good job of that, so I think I'm pretty good. Just a short and quick one today. Alright, as you can see, I still had to fight a little bit with the tire, but definitely not as much. It's always hard, juggling the spacers, the axle, the weight of the tire, and all that other stuff. Typically I'll slide a piece of wood under there or something like that to try to prop it up, but this trick works a lot better. It could be a two-person job sometimes, trying to fight all that stuff. And last time my mom had to help me put on the rear tire of this one, so I'm glad I can do it by myself now. If you guys have made it to the end of this video, thank you very much for watching. That like and subscribe button. See you guys next time. Later.